Welcome back to a new card making video. Today we have a block hop. It's a collaboration between ColourCraft and Rubber Dance, and I have to share a little greeting card. I work with watercolor paper, and that's the reason why I stamped the images twice. I want to have a really good and dark impression. I start by creating my background because it needs a little drying time in the end. I embossed some watercolor cardstock with an embossing folder from Sizzix, and I tried to catch all the erased areas with the Brushos resist stick. That's a waxy stick from ColourCraft. I wet my paper from both sides to avoid warping, and then I add the Brushos. I use a dry brush and soak up puddles of water. I use the Brushos as my color palette and color the flowers. These are the antique botanicals from Rubber Dance. I cut out all my flowers and add some 3D foam pads to the back. Now I adhere them to my card. Thank you for stopping by today. Please give me a thumb up if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!